What's up everybody, it's Kevin back with a new video, and today we're going to be cleaning my K&N Air Filter and also reapplying oil to make it new and so that the car can breathe and do its thing. So let's check it out. As you can see, here's the filter. It's a little dirty. It's got some crud in it, and it doesn't have that beautiful red that we all have come to love with K&N, so we're going to get this pulled. It looks kind of gross. It's got some buildup, some crud. But the good news is we can get that all cleaned off and get it brand new. So we're going to be using the K&N Air Performance Plus Recharger Kit. I'll put a link down below. You can check it out. It comes with two things. It comes with the actual cleaner, and then it comes with the oil to re-oil the actual filter, the cotton filter. So this is the cleaner. All right, so we got it sprayed. It says to spray it liberally, which means lots. And now I'm just got it sitting here. You can see it's already breaking down the grease, which is awesome. It says to let it soak for 10 minutes, let it do its thing, and then we're gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna have to let it dry again. And we're going to rinse it out from the inside. So we're going to get a little bit of pressure. Oh wow, look at that. You can tell, look at that, that's crazy. So we're pushing all that yuck and gunk out. So there we have it. We got it cleaned off, looks way better. We're gonna let it dry. I'm actually going to take it inside and let it sit inside where it's warmer so it'll dry a little bit quicker. And we're going to give it a couple of hours to make sure it's completely dry before we apply any sort of oil. And then the next step is going to be applying the filter oil to the cotton, and we'll get it to be nice and red and nice and new and nice and fresh so that the truck can do its thing. All right, so I've let it dry. It looks really good. I'm outside and it started to rain, so I'm underneath my overhang and the lights are a little weird, but I think it looks, you can see it's really clean. Super happy with it. So the next step is now to re-oil it, and this is what comes with it, the filter oil. And basically it says to spray it 3 inches away across the crown. So I'm just gonna, here I'm So you can see here, the last stripe, it's not done yet. Ah, look at that beautiful red. So now we just wait, and we're going to let this dry completely, wake everything up, dry. We'll see if there's any uneven spots, and then we'll reapply. But this, oh, I can see a little couple, you can already kind of see where some spots maybe I missed. But we're gonna let it dry, and then we'll get another layer on it. There you have it. All right, and that's how easy it is to actually take it out, clean it, re-oil it, and basically install it. Now I have a whole video on installing my cold air intake system. You can check out that link, but you know, re-oiling this filter, I think they recommend it every 50,000 miles if it's like heavy duty usage, or 100,000 miles. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it is. But yeah, super simple. And I think it looks awesome now that it's re-oiled. It's red again. I'm gonna fire it up here in a second, make sure everything's working properly. And yeah, so if you like videos like this, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.